Hello guys, so as my previous video I made this table runner, okay, or a placemat, and I make this for the cutlery holder. Okay, so today I will be showing you how to make this cutlery holder. Okay, so let's get started. So this is very easy. I will be very quick, and I do have a tutorial of this stitch as well, but I will show you guys because it's just a repetition. Okay, so to start with, we will be making a slip knot. Okay, and I will be doing chain of 21. Okay, so I'll come back when I got my 21. Okay guys, so I have my 21 chain. Okay, so we are going to double crochet, okay, and then the third chain from the hook, one to the third chain from the hook. Okay, so make a double crochet, say yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and you are going to double crochet until to the end of the row. Okay, and I'll finish this and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, guys, so I finished my row. Okay, so and this next row we are going to chain 4. Okay, and turn our work. Okay, so from here we are going to double crochet unfinished, okay, 3 times in 3 stitches. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we are going to yarn over and pull through 3 and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so from here we're going to yarn over and we are going to make our puff stitch. 3 and 4. Okay, so yarn over and then pull through all. And the next one, okay, so we are going to yarn over and make a double crochet unfinished, okay, into the last stitch that we put our we finish our first 3 double crochet unfinished, and then to the next chain and to the next chain. Okay, and then yarn over, pull through 3, then yarn over, pull through 2, and it's the same. So from here in this part here we're going to do our puff stitch. 1 2 3 and 4. Yarn over, pull through all in one. Okay, so we are going to just do the same thing, okay, until we finish the row. Okay, so one more time, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so then one more and yarn over, pull through all loops. Okay, so we are going to, as you can see, we are going to do that until to the last stitch that we've got, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so I'm here in my last stitch. As you can see, we started with a double crochet here, or a chain 3 that is count as double crochet, so we will be ending up a double crochet as well. So in this part here, if you can just put a double crochet. So as you can see, we are fair. Okay, so here 2 3 chain 3, so 1 2 3. Okay, and we are going to just double crochet, okay, all the way back. Okay, just make sure, okay, that you do have your how many stitches, how many double crochet we have here. It's supposed to be, that will be the same as the top. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so make 20 guys, and I will meet you up until when you finish that, guys. So I have my 20 double crochet. So from here we are going to chain 4, okay, turn our work, okay, and we are going to do a double crochet unfinished 3 times. Okay, and then yarn over, pull through 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and then from here we are going to do our puff stitch. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, yarn over and then pull through all the yarn, all the loops. Okay, so and then we are going to do the same. Okay, repeat 3 times. Okay, so as you can see, we just repeat this part here. Okay, so you will be doing that until how many rows do you need. Okay, so just remember, when you do, after this, when you do your double crochet, okay, just make sure that you have 20, okay, because we have 20 here in the bottom. Okay, so we have 20 there as well. Okay, so with mine is, I do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows. Okay guys, so I will finish this and I will come back and I will show you how to do this edging on the top. Hello guys, so I am done. Okay, so you just have to continue, okay, to the length that you need. Okay, so as I said, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so with this motif, okay, so you have 1 2 3 4, and then the simple double crochet, you have 4 rows as well. Okay, so that will be 8. Okay, so we are going to go into the edging. Okay, so from here, okay, so chain 3, okay, and then in the same stitch double crochet. Okay, so 4 times. Okay, and after that, okay, so we are going to, so from here, okay, so 1 2, in the second, okay, we are going to single crochet and then chain 3, 1 2 3, and in the same stitch, okay, we are going to make our 4 double crochet. Okay, so then after that, 1 2, into the top of the second one, single crochet. So as you can see, so you can adjust that as well guys. You can adjust that if you want it higher or smaller. Okay, so but that is how I crochet my edging. Okay, so and then after you've done that guys, so after you've done that, okay, you just have to sew it, okay, in this side and this side. Okay, so by doing that, let me show you how to sew this. Okay, I use a different color yarn so you can see. So from here, okay, so you just have to, you can go from the bottom or you can start from somewhere here, okay, and you're just going to insert that into the first stitch, okay, and you are just going to do as you go, as like that. And if you're using the same yarn, you won't see anything. Okay, so this is one way of sewing and attaching this. Okay, so there's a lot of ways, it's up to you guys, but this is the simple and easy way. Okay, and then you will just go this way and that way and going back, and you have to leave this open. Okay, so this will go your cutleries. Okay guys, thank you very much guys, hope you like this video, and I will create some more. As I said, I am trying to make a set, okay, a table setting. Okay, so hopefully I can upload the video. Okay, thank you very much guys, and thank you for all the support, for the love that you given me, and have a great day guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.